and submit and notify author. Then author can see his declined reasons also, like declined article, and he just click view reason. Then content should not promote any activity that involves things such as gambling, betting, interesting, dating, etc. So you can see here, admin sub admin can see the all users here. So this is our professional blogging application where we have different categories wise articles, and we can delete also. You can see like all article, and we can delete also. So now sub admin deleted his articles, and that articles is not would not be visible on admin's dashboard. Now you can see here. So this is our application where such article is also running. Like if I just write highlight, then let's see how much articles are showing. For example, if we click this, then only that articles is showing here. You can see, and where you can see the views also, view, edit, you can see, and add post also. And admin can see all contacts. For example, user can contact, let's suppose this is a user, okay. Then I just go to home page and click on contact and just write anything, okay. WhatsApp number, anything, subject, and this data is showing on admin's dashboard under context page. For example, click and contact. You can see here admin can see your email, WhatsApp number, and subject and message, and admin can delete this also. So the context data will be visible under admin's dashboard under contact category. So this is our blogging application where users can post their blogs in free of cost, but user must submit 100% unique articles, and image must not contain any woman picture, and so on. So you can see this is our blogging application which is built by engineer Shoaib, and this application project is built using JavaScript, next.js, and MongoDB, Firebase, Node.js, Express.js, and use different libraries like NodeMailer and so on. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Engineer Shoaib. Thank you so much.